Now we are going to discuss about the constructor program. In this program, you can see the class name is given REC fact. Data members are given N to store the number whose factorial is required. R is store an integer. R is store an integer. Under member functions, we need to do default constructor is there. Class name and method name, if it is same, then it is called default constructor. So REC fact, and REC fact is a class name. With this, if we create any method, then it is called default constructor. Let me explain about the constructor. All we know, class name and method name is same. Access specifiers is not required in constructor. When we call the method, no need to call this constructor specially. If I create the object, automatically constructor is being called. Next one, void read num to enter the value of n and r. Enter the value of n and r. Next method is int factorial in bracket int. What does it mean? That means you have to find out the factorial. With the help of this method, you have to find out the factorial of a given number, and the parameter is given int. You may use any variable here, and using the recursive technique, no need to follow for this for ICSE. Next one is void fact series. Void fact series. In these questions, you may see this void and fact series are merged together. One space is there. Void is a keyword, all we know. To calculate and display the value of the following. What it is? N factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. N minus R factorial. And last, we have specified the class REC fact given the details of the constructor, and member functions like void read num, int fact, intent, that means every method we have to call. And from main functions, we have to create the main functions to create an object and call the methods accordingly. Let's start this program, how we can solve. So as per the question, we need the package because void read num is there. So import java.util class name is given this one. And if you return back to the questions, two data members are given and both are in integer. One is stored the number whose factorial is required, and another one is r. So int n comma r. These are the two data members. After that, member function. First member function is constructor. REC fact default constructor is there. That means class name and method name is same. I told class name and method name is same. First bracket open, first bracket close, and default constructor is used to initialize the data members with its default value, like n equal to 0, comma r equal to 0, n equal to 0, r equal to 0. This part is done, constructor part. Next, first method, void read num. Void read num. So void read num. Void read num means what we have to read. We have to read according to the questions. One important thing, void read num method or prototype also merged together, but gap is there. So one important thing we have to notice regarding this program, you may see this highlighted method is given no parameter. So if you use this int r, int n, then marks may be deducted. Whatever instruction is given in questions paper, you have to follow. Void read num, no, in void read num, no parameter. Mo, can you hear me? Mohok, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Shonak, what problem you have? Shonak, are you there? Okay, regarding this
Sir,
method,
your voice is getting disrupted.
now it's okay, I believe.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for this method, void read num, to enter the value of n and r, we want to enter the value of n and r, and void, after void, space must be there. If anyone, Shonak, are you getting me now? Shonak, are you there? Shonak.
হ্যাঁ একটু কেটে কেটে যাচ্ছে, শুনতে পাচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে।
Okay.
এখন একটু কেটে কেটে যাচ্ছে কিন্তু
Regarding this method, what we need to do, don't use parameter here, because as per the questions, no parameter is used here. So what we need to do, we need to set a scanner. Then system. Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, I think recursive function is not in syllabus.
I told it earlier, no need. Directly also we can do. Enter the value of n and r. N equals to sc dot next int, r equals to sc dot next int. So Java is a modular approach. So artifact default constructor is created already. Void readnum method is created. Next method int factorial. Int factorial. Int factorial. And in bracket one parameter is given, which is int, and variable you may take as per your choice. What is the use of this method? It will find out the factorial. So int f we need here. Int f equals to 1 for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to k, I plus plus, f equals to f into I, and finally we need to return f. Because of that, as per the prototype, you may see as per prototype, int is there, the highlighted portion, int is there. If void, then we may print, and if int is there, you have to return. What this method will return? This method will return the factorial of given number. That means if we give the value of k is 4, it will return 24. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, it will return 24. Let's come to this point, this one, void fact series. Void fact series. So next method is void fact ACR. If I write ACR, void fact series. If you see this method, no parameter is there. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate n factorial by n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. The trick is in this method only. 90, more than 95% students, they done the mistakes. Whatever trick we have for this method, let's see. This one is like void fact ACR. So result and division is used here. For result, we may use double S. We may use double S here, no doubt about that. Double S equals to 0.0. If you don't want, you don't no need to initialize also. But first one, if you see that n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So first we need to do one thing. This one, n minus r factorial, n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial, when we can do it? When the value of n is greater than r, then only we able to do it. Mind one thing, the factorial is applicable for positive number only. Factorial is applicable for positive number only. Factorial is applicable for positive number only. So what we need to do? We need to check if n greater than r, then only s equal to, we can write s equal to, we can write factorial of n by factorial r into factorial n minus r. S equal to factorial n by factorial r into factorial n minus r. If I write this statement, it is correct or wrong? I want to know
Sir, bracket. Sir,
from you all.
bracket.
ব্র্যাকেট এটা দিতে হবে নিচে।
Before factorial r and after factorial n minus r.
ইয়েস স্যার।
This bracket is required given.
ডবল দেবে না
this bracket
স্যার?
is
একটা ডবল দেবে না ফ্যাক্টরিয়াল এন এর আগে?
স্যার ইনটু 1.0 করে দিন না।
factorial.
ওই তো, ওটাই তো বলতে চাই।
That means another thing also you need to remember, that factorial n, that means from this portion to this portion, it is also written integer. From this portion to this portion also written integer partly. That means factorial r also and factorial n minus r also. That means if we not convert to double, then what happened? The value of s became 0.0 only. Because this is an important thing, most of the cases we observed that double a equal to 2 by 3 means all are written there something 0.66 something, or double a equal to 5 by 2 means all are written 2.5. But That means what magic is here. It's the difference of maths and Java. Double A equal to 5 by 2. Double A equal to 5 by 2 means it's 2, because 5 is an integer number and 2 is an integer number. Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, I think we have to multiply the denominator into 1.0.
It's already told. Devotra and also already told. Okay. So I'm talking about this double. Most of the students having concept of double A means double A 5 by 2. That means 2.5. Why? Because A is in double. No. Whatever operations we want to perform, we need to do it according to the data type. 5 is integer, 2 is integer. So 5 by 2, 5 by 2, double A equal to 5 by 2. That means the value of A is 2.0. The value of A is 2.0. I am talking about this one. Please check. Like double A equal to 5 by 2. More than 80% students, they will write the value of A equal to 2.5. Wrong. Next group, they will write equal to A equal to 2. Wrong. This one, A equal to 2.0. This one is the correct one. Because double A, the nature of A is double. But 5 is an integer number, 2 is an integer number. If it is perform integer division, it will generate 2, no doubt about this. It will generate 2. But when it's assigned to A, it's became 2.0. When it's assigned to A, it's became 2.0. This is the main difference between maths and programming concept. Most of the students, that means we observed that most of the students, they done the mistakes in this point. They are unable to trace the difference between maths and computer and the data type, different kinds of data type and their precedence. So accordingly, if the basic concept of the data type and precedence is clear to everyone, easily they can do any kind of programs. Easily they can do any kind of program. So like about this statement, first mistakes may be done by they are not converting it to the double and this bracket as well. So we need to give 1.0 by anyhow we need to convert this one 1.0 into factorial n, so that what happened, the numerator is converted to the double data type, denominator is in integer, no doubt about this. Double and integer, as per the precedence, double is higher, so in mixed expression it will return in double and it will store to s also. It will store to s also. After that we may print the value of s, system dot out dot print s. And in else part, what we need to write, in else part we need to write you may write wrong input or enter the value of n greater than r, anything. Now what is the need of this wrong input part? Because again I repeat, all we know, that factorial of negative number is not possible, because in denominator part you can see factorial n minus r. If the value of r is more than n, like the value of n is 2 and r is 4, then minus 2 it will come, and for factorial we are unable to give the result of a negative number when we want to find out the factorial, because factorial says that factorial of 4 means factorial of 4 means it will start from 5, that means 1 to 5, and factorial of -2 means you need to reach to -2, -3, -4, -5, it will continue like that. So factorial is negative number factorial is not possible logically, so that's why you have to give this condition. That's why you have to give this condition. This is all about the method according to this question paper.
স্যার
Yes.
একবার ডেটাটা মানে
Yes.
স্যার এইখানে যে ফ্যাক্টোরিয়ালটা করেছো মানে এই যে ইন্ট ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল,
Hmm.
হ্যাঁ, তো এইখানে যে
Yes.
0 না চলবে, আচ্ছা 0 চলবে না, হ্যাঁ চলবে।
Logically thing is that the negative numbers factorials is not possible. Okay, then they told to implement the void main also by creating the object. So class name is given artifact, and 2 input we need. So I think we don't need input here, directly create the object. The class name is given as artifact. So artifact ob equal to new artifact first bracket open first bracket close, because we don't need any input in main function. Input already taken here as void readnum. By creating the object only we are going to call ob dot, the method name is readnum, ob dot readnum. This method is being called, input is being done. No need to call this method because under fact series this factorial method is already called. So to get the result directly we can write ob dot fact series. This is the use of main function. No need to do anything else. After that, if I compile the program, class compiled, no syntax error. This is artifact. Under this artifact, you may see all the methods here: int factorial k, void fact ACR, void main, and void readnum also. But under the void main already we called all the method. Then if I click on this void main, it will ask to give the value of n and r. If I give 4 and 2, we'll get the result. Factorial of 4 by 2 factorial, and this will get the result. So now if anyone having any doubt, please raise your hand. Abhishek, you want to say anything? Abhishek, you want to say anything? Shonak, yes, Shonak.
স্যার বলছি যে যদি মানে ডিফল্ট কনস্ট্রাক্টর না হয় তাহলে আমরা তো ওখানেই ভ্যালুটা এন্টার করব, তাই তো? যখন অবজেক্ট ক্রিয়েট করছি মানে একবার শিওর করে নিচ্ছি, একবারে মানে টাচে ছিলাম না তো কনস্ট্রাক্টর।
Default constructor, like it depends as per the questions paper. In question paper, if it is given the parameterized constructor, then you have to give parameterized constructor.
না না, প্যারামিটারাইজ কনস্ট্রাক্টর যদি থাকে তাহলে মানে যখন অবজেক্ট ক্রিয়েট করব তখন ওইখানেই
Yes, when
মানে
if it is a parameterized constructor, then in this part you have to use the value. That means if parameterized
এটাই
constructor having two variables, then you have to give two values here. Why REC fact OB equal to new REC fact first bracket open first bracket close. Within this bracket you have to give this two value. You have to give this two value.
স্যার এগুলো তাহলে কি ইউজারকে দিয়ে দেবো এন্টার করতে?
Which one? In case of void
এখানে
main.
যদি দুটো, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Yes, definitely
মানে
you need to give the user, otherwise how you can give? If it is parameterized constructor, you have to give the variable here. You have to give the variable REC fact OB equals to new REC fact in bracket. Suppose m and n you have to give. So m and n you have to accept in main function. Then only be able to give. Otherwise you can't.
স্যার না মনে করুন আমি তাও রিড নামেই অ্যাকসেপ্ট করব আর এখান থেকে এন্টার করব, কিন্তু রিড নামটা তো আগে ডাকতে হবে, কিন্তু রিড নাম ডাকতে গেলে আমাকে অবজেক্ট বানাতে হবে, আর অবজেক্ট বানাতে গেলে তাহলে আমাকে আবার মানে
This is the fact.
ওইখানে
According to
লিখতেই
this
হবে।
question, according to this questions, parameterized input have no. That means parameterized constructor have no
সম্ভবই
value.
না, হ্যাঁ
Read num is not
Sir,
required. If you
এটা তো ডিফল্ট কনস্ট্রাক্টর, ডিফল্ট কনস্ট্রাক্টরে তো কোনো প্যারামিটার এস লাগবেই না।
already to বলেছে ওটা. He is
আর
asking
ডিফল্ট
that
কনস্ট্রাক্টরে
if he is asking that if parameterized constructor is there, then what will do? Anything else, Sonak?
Sir, না, মানে parameterized constructor থাকলে
values and we have to put in the function.
স্যার না প্যারামিটারাইজড কনস্ট্রাক্টর থাকলে কি আর মানে বানানো সম্ভব আর একটা ফাংশন যেটাই আমরা ভ্যালু ইনপুট করব?
In main function, see, to create the object you have to accept the value, otherwise from where we will give? Because if input method is there,
সেটা
so we can't call it. First you have to create the object. Whatever concept is given to the question paper, you have to follow this. Anything else?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
If anyone having any doubt, please raise your hand. I'll give 1 minute time to think. If anyone having any doubt, please raise your hand about this constructor method. Otherwise, we'll move on to the next program. Okay, I think no doubt about this program. So let's move on to the next one. For this session, only 6 minutes left. So next program is constructor program, but using this pigletting, that means string and constructor together. So let me explain this program. Pigletting is a word such as king is replaced by ingkay. That means first occurrence of the vowel king, king. What you have to do? From ing you have to extract. That means from a string you have to extract, and this extraction is start from where the first vowel is occurred. Like king, ing is extract. Then you have to give the previous letters of this string. Like king example, ingk followed by ay. Next one, if you see the example of trouble, trouble, trouble. Trouble should be ouble. That means first occurrence of the vowels to end it extract, then followed by the previous letters of these vowels like tr and followed by ay, and so on. That means the first vowel of the original words became the start for the translation, any preceding letters being shifted towards the end followed by ay. This is called Pig Latin. This is called Pig Latin. So words that begin with a vowel which do not contain any vowel are left unchanged. Like if a word is start with vowel, as example apple, it's remain unchanged as per the condition. And if a vowel not contained with, sorry, if a word not contained with vowels like sky, sky, it's remain unchanged. So condition is given, that means the instruction is given. Please, I request everyone, please take a snap of this question and you try to do it by your own. I am just explaining this one. Class name is Pig Latin. Class name is Pig Latin. Two data members are there, text and length, text and length. Under member functions, Pig Latin is a constructor, default constructor, void read string to accept the word input in uppercase as per the instructions you have to do. Void convert the word into Pig Latin from display the word whether it's changed or unchanged. Void consonant, count and display the number of consonant present in the given word. Count and display the number of consonant present in the given word. Specify the class Pig Latin, given details of the constructor, void read string, void convert, void consonant. Also define the main function to create an object and call the methods accordingly to enable the task. This is the program of Pig Latin using constructor. Try to solve it by your own. If you have any problem, you may ask me in WhatsApp or you may call, no problem, but try to solve it. After solving this one, you may submit to the WhatsApp personally, not in group. Still, if you have any doubt, any clarifications about this program, please raise your hand. Already we reached to the end of the class. So still, if anyone having any queries, only 1 minute 20 seconds left. They may ask about this program, previous program also. And same class will continue on Friday. If any one of your friends is not unable to attend today's class, please inform them. They may attend on Friday. And we'll try to arrange one exam end of this month, like after 25 one day. It's maybe online exam, 2 hours. We'll give the notice to WhatsApp, so be prepared for that. And next class we'll discuss about array. That means next class means next week we'll discuss about array program.
আমার প্রোগ্রাম গুলোর কি হলো?
Which one?
স্যার আমি প্রোগ্রাম গুলো দিয়েছিলাম,
তো বললাম কল করে নেব।
ও ঠিক আছে।
স্যার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে।
বল তাড়াতাড়ি।
স্যার বলছিলাম যে কি ফাংশন ওভারলোডিং আমরা যখন করব তখন কি ওটা লাস্টে সুইচ কেস দেয়া নেসেসারি আছে?
Not necessary. Whatever question is asking, according to already we end to the class. So শেষ হয়ে যাওয়ার আগে সবাইকে goodbye till then and stay safe.